Wait, hit me in the nuts with your fucking sledgehammer with the fuck that thing.
Do I sound like which number of generic white guy do I sound like?
Say she-shells by the seashore.
I don't want to say.
Okay, well then just say pickles 5 times.
Rubber baby bubble bumpers. Iris wristwatch.
Super Mario.
Look, man, I just said say pickles 5 times.
I feel like it's a trap. I'm scared.
It's just the word pickles.
Yeah, but what if you like? What if I say it and then you know my social security number?
We already know
that is a stretch. I mean, he knows it.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Look, man, I don't have any attachments to the deep web or whatever the hell. Who am I gonna sell you saying pickles 5 times to? Please, like, inform me with your imaginative mind. Who could get that kind of information from someone saying the word pickles?
You never know nowadays.
Give me cheddar power. Give me cheddar.
You look like a mouse.
I'm a koala. Good.
How you doing?
Did you get that drug out of your mouth?
Good.
Hang on.
Hey, come on. What's wrong with a little bit of weed?
If
A
you
little
do
bit of the
drugs, you
dude.
go to hell before you die.
Either write it down or
Yeah, fucking albino man. I don't fucking remember his name. Louis Armstrong or whatever. He's a fucking piece of shit anyways. He always was talking shit about everything, but then at the same time he was inhaling fucking cocaine at the strip clubs. Alright, I saw him with my own fucking eyes. Cause I was there. I was one of the people that inhaled it as well, but we don't talk about that.
But you were like a child.
That was back in the
You're
day.
telling me you were a child cocaine addict?
Hang on.
I didn't have good parents.
How the hell did you recover?
Shit, man, I'm a shark. I hate to break it to you. I'm like your #1 contender.
No, you're a pointy-eared leaf fuck. So what? You super glued a tail on your ass?
Exactly.
It's on my back. It's attached to my tailbone. Thank you very much.
Oh, they gorilla glued it. Go for it.
God damn it, man. Explain these.
Walmart
Explain this
discount Black Friday.
Child section.
Friend me.
Get those from the charity shop.
I don't shop in the kids section.
You're right. You're right. You shop in the baby section, you small fry.
Do you want the baby food? You want the trolley
Is
seat?
it that obvious?
You want the trolley seat?
What else fits you?
You're so short. You make Majora look like a skyscraper. And that's saying something.
I probably do, honestly.
How tall is you?
I need a...
Wait, what? 1'5"?
Yeah.
Damn, okay.
Fat.
All of my inches went to my schlong.
Damn. I didn't know 0 times 0 is still 0.
Also, these shoes are still stuck on me. I can't get them off. I'm gonna need to fix that.
Damn. She hardcore played with the gorilla glue and got them stuck on her feet. Now she can't get them off.
I accidentally super glued my slippers on.
This is why kids can't play with, this is why kids can't play with choking hazards.
You know you gotta hang it up when Dracula of all people calls you kid.
I mean, he's gay himself.
It's time for Halloween. Don't come to my house or else I'll suck your dick. Blood. I'll suck your blood.
What did it say? What did it say?
Damn. Majora, turn to your right.
You know how I made the
Mommy, please help.
You know, I don't think I
need
want to
my
be
mom.
gay anymore.
You don't have to sit. You don't have to sit in the chair. You just
Oh,
have to-
okay.
Right. You're out. You're not allowed to sit back down. You're out. You've got to sit back behind the chair.
The escape plan. Well, we're out of it.
Jesus.
Pull the trigger.
But you pull the trigger like 3 times.
Mom wants
And then they just killed. Okay, well.
I kind of want to die so I can edit my audio. Shoot the fucking thing. Stop being a bitch.
If it kills me, it's homophobic. Okay.
Damn it.
You disappointed me.
Ninja.
Now you see, Luigi, when a paisano puts his spaghetti noodle in a Mamma Mia's. Oh. Wow, he pulled it twice.
Sorry,
Twice.
I thought this was a 6-chamber revolver, not a 12.
No, it's actually an 18-chamber revolver.
For the motherland!
Yeah, it's okay.
It will be me. Nope.
It will be me.
Nope.
Okay, it will not.
You can't just keep
Damn.
clicking it until it
Jesus.
fires. Fucking hell.
Yes, I can.
Kiss me, fat boy.
My turn.
You.
Kiss me, fat boy.
I must consult with the elder gods.
It's so funny.
I genuinely wish to perish.
Thing is not loaded.
Oh, he did 3. Fucking hell, Ninja. Yeah, I didn't agree with
Now me. Yeah!
Superb Mario!
You're from that one
Oh,
game.
well, there you go.
What was it? It was Metroid, right? Yeah.
I'm sitting on my head.
Wait, no, what's his name? Crane.
We can talk.
Can't get up the stairs.
No.
The legs don't work.
Dude, how do I fix it? Do I just pull you up the stairs?
The legs don't work. The legs. The legs don't work. The legs don't work. Pull me up the stairs. You have to pull me up the... Ow. Ow. Oh, come on, you gotta go faster. I gotta go upstairs. Come on, man. Come on, man, I can't get up. I need to go faster.
There we go, I got it.
Good job.
Alright, we
That
gotta...
could have been dangerous. I
Yeah.
could have died.
Yeah, well, we gotta go off the other set. No! He's dead! Actually, I really don't have to touch you with a gay touch to make you gay. I can just spoil the fun. No, I'm just kidding. I'm messing with you.
Cheeky cunt.
One that I'm pretty sure just straight up makes dark matter enjoyable.
I just want to enjoy dark matter.
I do love dark matter.
Do I eat it with a spoon?
I wouldn't recommend eating it actually.
Is it a
Kinda
kind of,
poisonous.
is it a kind of ice cream?
No.
Candy?
No, it really isn't.
Can I eat it with a fork?
Could I perhaps eat enough to
I mean,
gain
you
a
could.
tolerance?
You can try. Yeah.
Well, how about a ladle?
Maybe. I think that would work.
So can I make it a soup?
I mean, you can kind of make it with anything. It's just when you like it. basically the result of like really, really fucking up a recipe. You know? You ever done that?
In Minecraft.
Now all I get is dubious food, like in Breath of the Wild.
It's very similar to dubious food. Yeah, I'd say. Yeah.
I use it like a hand grenade.
I think is probably the best. I don't know if hand grenades are a thing in feudal Japan.
Can I invent grenades in Japan and then throw it like a grenade?
They almost had it, but they lost the blueprint.
Oh.
That's the stuff they don't teach in the history classes.
One shoot of bamboo,
Interesting.
a little piece of pine, a little needle made of thread, and then you just pull it, and then the thing combines and
Might be one person who would like that.
instant
Maybe.
big stink.
I'm not a big fan of the instant big stink. It's very stinky.
Especially on my pinky.
I'm revoking your rhyming license. The only addiction I endorse is gambling.
This is. Oh, yes! Pocket sand! You know what, Austin? Carry that. Carry that. I'm finding the entity and we are beating. We are going to fucking die. So basically, the way this works. This is basically a.
I peed. Why is it? Okay, I'm gonna get.
I got you. I got you.
Wheelchair go. Where'd the wheelchair go?
I got you. No, over the other way. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay, you just hug that.
Help.
See, let's get his wheelchair.
Where'd the wheelchair go? I don't know where it went. Where'd it go?
Where's the wheelchair? Grab him.
Upstairs. I go upstairs.